Alright, so I got a new job. Well, it's not a new job, I'm testing it out. They want me to stay with them or, I don't know what. But this is what I'm rolling with. We're pulling Carnival. This is part of the Carnival here. This one is another guy that I know. He's pulling a funnel cake stand. There goes another one that belongs to the Carnival. I'm driving that beast right there. I'm the only 18-wheeler driver with doubles too, because I'm the man. I'll take you up there right now. Forward. Make sure everything's good. Look, this one can take passengers on the outside. You just gotta snap onto them. Bam! Come on, get on, kids. Make sure your feet don't touch that right there or slide on them. But there's a lot of seats. This is that big one that goes up and down or circles, whatever it is. Oh, it's a double. It's the shit mix. They got the other one over there. The lady of the company's driving it. We're at the Lubs. I got my water, my agua. I got this in the back. This is for the security guard. Make sure nobody gets us from the back. Whatever this thing is, I don't know what it is. Anyways, I'm parked right here and I'm ready to go. This is called a Viper. Yeah, there you go. Viper. Look it up online. You figure it out. More seats, more passengers. Hang out. I'm just waiting for them to pull out.
The greatest rock and roll ever made plays here. Mad Rock 102.5.